design challenge, Revolto Omnia. This is what I chose. I'm basing this on a game called Medieval Engineers. This is what the game is about. It is being developed by Keen Software House, which is a Czech game studio. It's about an engineer in medieval ages. And well, basically it is voxel based. That means you can modify the terrain and you can build various structures from castles to aqueducts, whatever you basically want to do. This is a screenshot from the game. This is in alpha stages, so it's still a lot of things is going to change, but it already looks amazing. Reason why I chose that is because my game is about destroying stuff, and engineers, even though it has a really complex destruction system, I want to do something with destruction on my own, so I'm kind of reverting the building aspect of it. This is what my game was previously, 3D based game, destroying walls using special tools. It was normal horizontal walls, and I thought it wouldn't be that much fun and didn't make that much sense, so I kind of redesigned the concept. Now my game is called Breakdown. It's a working title. So basically, it's a tall building that you're in. It has floors, and you're in the top floor in a mental asylum. Well, the story isn't that important, but that's the visuals I would go with. And basically, you don't belong there because you're not really crazy. You just have like telekinesis or some. I think I would go with telekinesis. I still need to rethink that. But yeah, basically, the only way you can go is to break down the floor. There are no doors. So yeah. The target player audience I'm aiming for would be average of 12 to 30. There will be no real violence in the game, no blood effects, so I think even younger players could play it. Females, males, America, Europe, Eastern Asia. It was mostly focused on players with moderate skill and just a bit of experience with how maybe physics works in games. Also casual gamers, because I would go with 2.5D, so I think it could even run on mobile phones since they're getting powerful every year. Alright, as I said before, 2.5D platform review. Each level could be randomized. That means like different types of floors, different furniture on each floor. So everything that you actually destroy, it leaves the debris there, and the furniture falls down also. So breaking down the last floor can actually be the hardest because there's way more stuff in your way and you can get hurt much easier. There are also going to be pickups, so no auto healing. So if you get hurt, you need to find a medkit, but you can also find other things like grenades that you can throw. But obviously, you can hurt yourself, so you have to be careful how you're going to do that. So it's more of a casual game. I'm not going too hardcore with this. This is the layout I was thinking of. So orange is obviously the floor. You need to get down. So green are pickables. I would make those a bit more rare. So obviously you're not on 100 HP when you get down. Extra furniture. That means different locks. Wardrobes and stuff like that can also fall on you, so you really have to be careful how you're going to approach this. Intended player experience is obviously focused on the physics, the puzzle experience. It's some apostrophes, because it's still meant to be casual, not like Portal kind of puzzle stuff. Enjoyment in a highly interactive environment that allows various possibilities to solve. Like I said before, different pickups. You can obviously, since you have telekinesis, pick things up, drop them on the ground so the floor breaks. Each level could be randomly generated, like I mentioned before, different either wooden, concrete floors, you name it. There's even glass floors that could also be done. Idea for that game is that it wouldn't suit everyone, but I think with the visuals and the music soundtrack of it, I think it could be interesting as a kind of creepy title that's like not really pushing you in terms of speed, but more like a just fun experience. Just kind of each level you can complete in a matter of few minutes. Really, it's not supposed to be something really hardcore. But I think with good sound effects and just fun gameplay, working physics, it could be fun. Medieval Engineers is literally free will where you're gonna build, so this is obviously way less than what Medieval Engineers is going with, but you still have some free will how you're gonna approach this. Overview: my prototyping routine, I've decided to use Gary's mod. If you don't know Gary's mod, it's a mod basically released for Source Engine quite a few years ago. I think it was 2009 or 2007, but 2009 when it got kind of popular. Now this new version is 2013, or it's just Gary's mod 13 called. It's a very customizable thing. You can download tons of mods, tons of tools. You can even play with physics in multiplayer. There are various mods. Maybe if you know like Trouble in Terrorist Town, things like that. You can do anything in it really. It's really great for prototyping, and it allows really quick iteration. I can even upload my saves in the cloud, so it's pretty cool. I've already played around with my idea. It's even though the physics system is a bit older, but I'm trying to figure out a way to make this work. Since I can freeze things, I can download mods that allow me, if I deal some kind of damage to prop, it basically unfreezes, it can fall down, I can change the weight of it, that means how much damage it deals whenever it falls from a certain height on you, so I can even obviously drop medkits that are actually pickable, things like that. So, and you can even have a camera and watch yourself play in third person. So that's pretty cool. Sorry. Well, I hope you like what I was trying to go with, and if you have any questions, please tell me. I'll be happy to reiterate whatever I'm going with and try to figure out the best way I can make this game work. Alright, one last thing, why should I prototype? Like I said before, lots of iterations. I have to work with the concept of the game, which is kind of brave. The actual concept can either succeed, be really fun to play, or it can also easily fail and just be a weird game about throwing stuff around. Yeah. Thank you for listening.